Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to video number 2, and in this video I'm going to show you how to start promoting your funnels, how to put your funnel online in less than 10 or 15 minutes. Now that being said, let me go ahead and jump into my computer and let's get started. So as you guys can see, we are on the same page as you are, and the first thing that you want to do is go to Google Ads. So this is my Google Ads account. You're probably not going to see any numbers if you're starting today, if you're starting a brand new Google Ads account. If you don't have one, just create one. If you do, just log in. So now you're going to be choosing your campaign objective. What is the goal of your campaign? That's what we're going to be choosing, and I personally recommend either sales or leads. I'm going to be choosing leads because I feel like it works best for me, but if you want to choose sales, go ahead. It's the same process. So let's click on leads. We're going to choose video because we're going to be running ads on YouTube, and we're going to click on continue. So first things first, let me rename my campaign. I'm going to name this Funnel Club. Oh my God. Funnel Club tutorial. We're going to choose our bidding strategy, and we're going to maximize conversions. I feel like this works best for me as well. Now we're going to be choosing our budgets and dates. So how much do you want to spend and how long do you want to run your ads for? Again, I recommend choosing your daily budget. That's how much you're going to be spending per day. You can start with $5 or you can put $50. Keep in mind that the more money you put into your ads, the better your results will be. The more money Google, YouTube will have to optimize your campaigns and get you more conversions. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be putting in $50 a day, but you can put in how much ever you like, starting with $5. We're not going to be choosing an end date. We're going to leave it as none for now. We're going to be choosing our location, and as you can see, we already have United States, but we can choose other locations like Canada. Let me put Canada. We can select United Kingdom right here, and any other countries that you want to run your ads for. Now, if we look at content exclusions, we're going to look at our inventory type, and we're going to select expanded inventory. Basically, what you're selecting is a more expanded type of videos. You know, YouTube might censor some types of videos, but you might get really good traffic from those videos. So I do recommend selecting expanded inventory. And we also want to exclude embedded videos and live stream videos, because at the end of the day, if you have an embedded video, it's basically a video on somebody's website, and the chances of somebody clicking on your ad is very, very low. So we want to exclude embedded videos and live streams, because again, if someone is watching a live stream video, he's not really going to pay attention to your ad. So we're going to be excluding those two things, those two categories as well. So now that's done, we're going to go to additional settings. As you can see, we have conversions, devices, frequency capping, ad schedule. We're going to click on frequency capping, and now as you can see, I have selected cap view frequency, 1 cap, 1 view per day. That's how much I want my viewers to watch my ads. I only want them to watch once a day. You don't want to keep pushing your ads way too much. I feel like this gets you the best conversions as well. Now as we scroll down, we're going to name our group Funnel Club Ad Group. There we go. And you can choose your demographics and audiences here. We can definitely do that. We're going to unselect 18 to 24 and unselect 65 plus. We're going to leave female and male. We're going to leave that like it is right now. And the reason I'm leaving this basically the way that it is right now is because how YouTube works is not really based on the interests. Of course, the interests do work, but it's based on what they're searching and what they're watching, right? So you don't want to get rid of a lot of people that might be searching the keywords that you're looking for. So I'm going to show you this awesome strategy in just a little bit. Now for audiences, I wouldn't really focus too much on your audience, because what we're going to be doing here in this video is letting YouTube know which videos we want them to run our ads. We're going to be choosing the videos. So anybody watching our videos or anybody searching for the keywords that we give YouTube, these are the people who are going to watch our ads. So that's why we're not going to worry too much about the audiences. Now, and to do that, we're going to be looking at keywords and placements. So first of all, let's go to keyword. Now, just to give you an example, if you are selling a real estate product, your keywords would be something like real estate in Florida, or how to make money with real estate, or anything that has to do with real estate, your keywords. For this funnel, I would probably go for how to build a sales funnel or how to create a high converting sales funnel business no, we're not going to be doing business opportunity. How to make money online, funnels to make you money, sales funnels. So these are the keywords that I chose, and of course you can think about way better keywords for the funnel that you're going to be promoting. This is just an example. So anybody searching up for these keywords are going to watch your video. But here is where it gets super interesting. You can tell YouTube what videos and what ads you want them to run your ads to. So if you go to YouTube right now and search up for a keyword like sales funnel, you can grab that URL, give it to Google Ads, and they will run your ads on that video. And I have found a tool that I'm going to show you in just a bit that will decrease the time that it takes to find those URLs. So what you would normally do is go to YouTube and search for your keywords like high converting sales funnels. You would get the URLs of your videos, go back to, you know, the campaign that you're doing, place the URL here, and they would give you a list of videos. Or you would put your keywords here like sales funnels, right? And they would find the videos for you, each of them individually. And you could do that for multiple keywords, multiple videos, multiple YouTube channels, like this one right here. Let's look at YouTube channels, and we can select this channel. So whenever somebody watches that guy's channel, whether he's watching a video related to sales funnel or not, he's gonna look at your ad. So this is one of the best ways of doing this, is looking for videos related to whatever it is that you're selling. So like I said, if you're selling the template club, go for sales funnels, or go for how to make money online, or things related to that. If you're selling a weight loss product, look for keywords related to weight loss, you know, lose weight, lose 10 pounds, things like that. And whenever you have that, select the videos and you're done. But like I said, this usually takes a lot of time. Now there is a tool called TubeSift which does that automatically for you. So if you look for sales funnels and you select, for example, 100, it's gonna automatically look for 100 videos related to sales funnels for you. You just copy all the URLs at once and place them on Google Ads all at once. It saves you a lot of time. This is a tool that you have to pay for, so you can either do it this way or you can do it automatically. It'll just take a little bit more time, but the results are the same. Now, something that might happen to you is you could go to YouTube, for example, look for sales funnels and choose a video, and whenever you choose that video, that URL, and try to place it on Google Ads, it's not gonna work because that video, that person might not have AdSense on. You might not be able to run ads on that video, so some videos will not work. So I'm just letting you know right now. So now that we have that done, I did it pretty fast. You know, this is something that you should take time, look for a lot of videos. The more videos you have related to your niche, related to sales funnels, business opportunity, make money online, the better your results will be. So now that we're done with this, we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna create our video ad. This is the video your potential customers will be watching on YouTube. Now, you don't have to create your video. You can if you want to, but we have all the promotional material for you on a Trello board. If you want to access the Trello board, just go back to the page we were before. As we scroll down, you can see over here, number 3, marketing material. If you click on the button, you can access our Trello board. So click on the button, you will be redirected to this Trello board right here. And as you can see, we have a lot of promotional material. We have a lot of images for you to promote on your social media, like your Facebook page or Instagram, or even maybe run ads on Facebook as well. Not only you can run ads on YouTube, we do recommend YouTube, but if you want to, you can download our promotional images and run ads on Facebook as well. Now, if we go to our nuggets over here, by the way, we're always updating this Trello board. So you're always going to see new promotional material. So that's why it's important for you to save this Trello board and check it every once in a while for new promotional material. I know for a fact we're going to be uploading a few more videos this afternoon and next week. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be choosing this video right here, and we're going to be choosing YouTube, right? As you can see, we have 3 versions of the video. We have YouTube, we have feed, and stories. Just choose one. Obviously, it'll be this one because these are in different formats. Download it, upload it to your YouTube channel, and you're good to go, right? You have to upload the video on your YouTube channel if you want to run ads on YouTube. So click on this button, download the video, go to your YouTube channel, upload the video right there, go back here and put the URL of this video. So let me go ahead and put the link of the video right here. And as you can see, there will be a preview, right? What you can also do is go to the Trello board and you can download the thumbnail as well. If you like the thumbnail, you can download the thumbnail with the video. All there's left to do is grab your affiliate link and place it over here as the final URL, because that'll be the funnel. That's where you're sending people to. In my case, I have my affiliate link over here already saved. But if you want to get yours, what you want to do is go back to the page that we were before, scroll down to where it says number 4, your funnel link, and copy your affiliate link right here. You're going to see your affiliate link right here. So once again, just copy your affiliate link, go back over here and place it over here. Okay, you don't have to do a URL display, but what you do have to do is a call to action in a headline, boom, call to action as no more. There we go. And the headline, funnel club. And you can see the preview here on mobile and desktop. That's how your ad will look like whenever it's ready. You can also upload an image. And once you're done, we're basically done. You're gonna click on create campaign, and that's it. Your campaigns will be running. The rest of the stuff that you have to do is just keep an eye on your campaign, see how much you're paying per lead, try to optimize it, try to test different audiences, try to test different videos, and that's it. That is how simple it is to run ads on YouTube. So now what's left to do is just take action right now. And guys, I'll see you inside Builderall. Take care.